Hello, hi, my name is Chris Baker. I've just finished building this belfry. We started in May and it is now November 11th, 2023. The structure behind me is the base of the belfry, and I will show you what I've done. So come a little closer and I will explain this. This is the copper bell deck roof. It goes from the center of the bell deck to the eave. On top of it are these Douglas fir standoffs, upon which sits a 4x12 hemlock sill, which is clad in lead on the outside. Above it is pine louvers, and the structure is through bolted through the bell deck rafters through the sill with 1/2-inch stainless steel. There are 12 of those, 3 on each side. Now we'll go to the upper part of the belfry and I'll explain that part.